Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can add text to flat surface in Bambu Studio. So basically I'm going to add complex shapes right here, and we're going to put a text where it will basically use the surface of our object. So it's going to be this one first, and then let's add another one just to demonstrate you how easy it is. Now that we have our shapes, let's then click on the shape that we want to add the text with. I'm really sorry if I'm stuttering. And then you want to use the text shape option. From here, you could just type the text to whatever you want to. In my case, I'm going to be using guide everything. And then normally it will actually use the surface right away, but if not, you want to click on the advanced option and just make sure that the surround surface is selected. Now normally, or in your case, maybe it's selected do not surround. As you can see, it will just lay flat on the surface right here. But if you actually want to use the surface of your model, you want to go ahead and click on the surround surface. So let's go ahead and do it to another model. But first, I'm just going to change the filament of this into red so you could actually see the text wrap around the object. Now from here, let's do the same thing. Let's add our text, and then let's put our object right here, or our actual text. So it's going to be guide to everything. And from here, let's do something like surround plus horizontal, so it will actually lay flat on our object. And so guys, that's how easy it is to basically use surfaces or onto a flat surface in Bambu Studio. Now you can even do this easier when using something like a cube. All you have to do is to press on your cube or on your flat surface, press T, and basically from here you will be able to put whatever text you want to. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.